Hello, my amazing friends. Welcome back to Speak a Tale, where we transform lives, one step at a time. Today, we're diving into something extraordinary, something that has the power to change your life forever. We're talking about personality development in just 7 days. Yes, you heard that right. In just 1 week, you can unlock the best version of yourself. So, are you ready to embark on this life-changing journey? Let's get started. Day 1. Self-awareness, the foundation of growth. Day 1 is all about self-awareness. You cannot grow unless you know who you are. Take a moment to reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, passions, and fears. Write them down. Be brutally honest with yourself. Think of Sarah, a young professional who felt stuck in her career. She took a day to journal her thoughts and realized her fear of failure was holding her back. Once she acknowledged it, she took small steps to overcome it, and today, she's thriving in her dream job. Remember, self-awareness is like a mirror, it shows you where you are so you can map out where you want to go. Day 2. Confidence, the game changer. Confidence is not something you're born with, it's something you build. On Day 2, focus on confidence building. Stand tall, speak clearly, and look people in the eye. Practice positive affirmations like, I am capable, I am strong, I am enough. Meet John, who used to stutter during presentations. He started practicing in front of a mirror every day, visualizing success. Within weeks, he was delivering flawless presentations, and his colleagues couldn't believe the transformation. Confidence is the spark that turns dreams into reality. Own it. Day 3. Communication, the art of connection. Day 3 is about mastering the art of communication. Speak with clarity, listen with empathy, and express yourself authentically. Remember, it's not just about what you say but how you say it. Priya, a shy college student, struggled to make friends. She started practicing active listening and asking thoughtful questions. Soon, she became the most sought-after person in her group. Communication is the bridge that connects hearts and minds. Build it strong. Day 4. Emotional intelligence, the secret sauce. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your emotions and those of others. On Day 4, practice empathy, patience, and self-control. David, a manager, used to lose his temper easily. He started practicing mindfulness and journaling his emotions. Over time, he became a calm and composed leader, earning the respect of his team. Emotional intelligence is the key to meaningful relationships and inner peace. Cultivate it. Subscribe to Speak a Tale and hit the bell icon for inspiring content and life-changing ideas. Day 5. Habits, the building blocks of success. Your habits define your personality. On Day 5, identify one bad habit to let go of and one good habit to adopt. Whether it's waking up early, reading daily, or exercising, small changes lead to big results. Ria was a procrastinator who struggled to meet deadlines. She started using the 2-minute rule: if a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This simple habit transformed her productivity. Habits are the silent architects of your destiny. Choose them wisely. Day 6. Adaptability, the power to thrive. Life is unpredictable, and adaptability is your superpower. On Day 6, embrace change and step out of your comfort zone. Try something new, a hobby, a skill, or even a different route to work. When Alex lost his job, he decided to learn digital marketing. Within months, he started his own business and is now more successful than ever. Adaptability is not about surviving change, it's about thriving through it. Be flexible, be fearless. Day 7. Gratitude, the attitude of greatness. On the final day, practice gratitude. Reflect on the blessings in your life, big or small. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. Maria, who battled depression, started a gratitude journal. Every night, she wrote 3 things she was thankful for. Slowly, her perspective changed, and she found joy in the little things. Gratitude is the magnet for miracles. Embrace it, and watch your life transform. And there you have it, personality development in 7 days. Remember, this journey is not about perfection, it's about progress. Every step you take brings you closer to the best version of yourself. So, my friends, which day resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speak a Tale for more life-changing content. Until next time, keep growing, keep glowing, and keep being amazing. This is Speak a Tale, signing off with love and positivity. See you soon.